What's good, quiet gang? So today we got our boy Kai for night, Kai for night. Basically saying Drake is suing him, along with Drake suing his own label, but basically he's saying Drake suing him for something that he had posted and some thumbnail he put up, man. Just I just trying to be, he trying to be Kai for night, trying to change out, man. Drake doing bad since the month out of my little feelings and stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, man, Kai for night, he's on the check out. He's talking about this.
With this Drake that y'all are talking about, can I see the link, please? I'm scared. What's going on, bro? Let me see what's going on. Let's get to this Drake. I don't know. Drake alleges in a lawsuit that safety. Twitch streamer Cenat posted a 20-minute video of his reaction to the recording on his YouTube channel, which has 11.6 million subscribers. The video's thumbnail depicts the image. As of the date of this filing, the video has over 9 million views.